All right, they want us to quickly move on to weather, which we will do. So let's talk about what we're looking ahead, where for the weekend, our focus turns towards the tropics. We're keeping an eye on now Hurricane Hilary. Now, this morning it was a tropical storm with winds below hurricane force, where right now, though, that has been changing. We're at 75 miles per hour. And this hurricane on the move, tracking northward. Looks like the model's indicating it will push further northward, sweeping through Baja California. It looks like it'll briefly become hurricane strength 4 and then downgrading to 3 and then 2 as it makes its way landfall, clipping Baja California, then sweeping towards Southern California. Look like heading into Sunday into Monday. Some of this moisture from the models indicating that it'll be pushed up, where part of it will hit the state of Utah, at least the moisture, not the hurricane, as it will bring in some winds there across Southern California. Of course, it won't be a hurricane when it does make landfall, or at least when it hits Southern California, more of a tropical storm and then a tropical depression. But we know that that moisture will have some impact across the state. Right now, though, as we go through the rest of the weekend, it's that monsoon flow that keeps the moisture coming in and giving us a chance of some scattered thunderstorms, especially tomorrow. We're going to look at some heavy rain across central and southern Utah, but even northern Utah getting in the mix today, and a better threat heading into the afternoon. As we look for the weekend, though, there you can see Hurricane Hilary sweeping in. It's packing a lot of moisture, and some of that moisture, again, getting caught up in the flow where it sweeps in here across the state of Utah, especially going from Sunday into Monday. So that's what we're looking at. Of course, the direction of the track could change. We'll see what that will do, updating the weather forecast throughout the weekend. Outside right now, though, it's a clear and sunny start here throughout most of the state. We have a few high clouds throughout central Utah, but with that upper level moisture in play, we're going to be looking at chances of thunderstorms from the Storm Prediction Center. You see we're now starting to incorporate a lot of northern Utah as well. So right now, from radar, not much activity. We're seeing just a few clouds central and southern Utah, but that moisture, one of the ingredients in place that allow for those thunderstorms to develop throughout the afternoon. And then this low pressure system comes in, which will bring cooler temperatures heading into the weekend. It's not cool today, though. Actually, afternoon highs above average are in the mid to upper 90s here along the Wasatch Front. Better chance of some thunderstorms through central and southern Utah. St. George, it's a 40% chance, and we only increase the chance throughout the weekend. We're going to see some wet conditions Saturday and Sunday. You might just want to be avoiding some of those slot canyons as we move through the weekend, and we'll keep that threat going into the beginning of next week. Northern Utah, 90s to 80s by Sunday. Chances of scattered thunderstorms. So statewide, we're going to see that threat. The further south you go, the better chance we'll see some of that heavy rainfall, but we'll keep that threat going up until Tuesday, then clearing out. All in all, we'll keep temperatures in the 90s one day, in the 80s, and for today, highs in the upper 90s.